There's a lot of news regarding AI coming in workforce. What are your opinions on generative AI, and how do you see Gen AI impacting the role of product managers in the future?
And many people say that AI is going to take so many jobs, AI is taking over the world, all these things. And in some cases, that is true. If you look at some of the basic work like manual testing, which is now being done by AI, certain roles which a lot of thinking are, yes, taken over by AI. But as freshers from college, you're of course equipped with these skill sets from college. You don't have to worry about losing your job to AI. How I look at it is basically a very important tool which in any fresher, need not be only for product management, but any fresher from college should be prepared or should upskill themselves to use AI for their benefit. So in product management, it helps you to analyze data better. It helps you to understand your customer better without actually having to go and meet them. You can go to AI, type your question in, it gives you an answer based on so many millions of information it has. So AI is basically a tool which helps you do your job better. So that would be my thought process. So don't worry, AI is not taking over jobs. AI is in fact helping you to get better at your job.